Hey, what's up guys, Rizzo here. In this video I'm gonna show you how to get a US bank account without going to the US. When I first started my e-commerce journey in 2019, I faced a lot of challenges. One of those challenges was to get a US bank account. As you know that this business thing does need a US bank account. Opening a US business bank account is almost impossible. As you know that most of the US banks require you to be in person in order to open a US bank account. There are some edges to do so, but I recommend you not to do that. I spent a lot of money from forming US LLC to getting a US bank account. At that time I did not know that there are some easy ways to get a US bank account. Therefore in this video I'm gonna show you my experience that how you can get a US bank account without spending a lot of money. Now let's get started.
There are two options that you can open your US business bank account. First, Mercury, and the second is Wise. First of all, you need to form a US LLC. There are some companies that are working with the US government about forming companies for overseas business owners such as you and me. Most of them cost you a huge amount of money that I won't recommend them for you. One of my favorite is the itn.com. They have a fantastic service, especially their customer service. Their pricing is lower than the other and they deliver your order on time. I have a limited agreement with them to give you a discount for their services. If you have not formed your company yet, go with the US company EIN and ITIN package, which is insanely cheap. You can't find anything like this on the internet, believe me. They give you a discount of $50 when you use the coupon code RIZA. This coupon has a limited lifespan, it will go off soon. The other package is ITIN. It stands for Individual Tax Identification Number. It is used for anyone who owns a company in the US. If you have already formed your company in the US, I recommend you to get your ITIN too. Get a $50 discount by the coupon code that I have provided for you. It will open up your way to a lot of things, in addition to banking, especially for payment gateways such as Stripe and PayPal. ITIN is used for US non-residents instead of SSN. If you are asked for SSN, you can use ITIN instead. To apply ITIN, you have to have a US company, EIN, and passport scan. ITIN is a process that takes a long time, like 12 to 14 weeks right now, because of the current disease. Before this widespread disease, it was 6 to 8, so by the time this video is out, they could potentially start doing it like 6 to 8 weeks, like before. If you have any questions, please go visit their website or simply get in touch with them. They have a wonderful customer service. Anyway, long story short, after you form your company, you can open a bank account both on Mercury and Wise. The good news is that Wise does not require ITIN as of now. At least as of today, they do not ask you to add your ITIN. I don't know if they will ask for it in the future. But the bad news is that they will only give you business bank details if you pay their fee, which is around $31 or its equivalent, and you can only pay that fee with a bank card under your name or your business name, which is another challenge. Let me tell you my story. I first opened Mercury and then Wise. I paid the fee for the Wise account using my Mercury bank card. Now I use both of them. The other good news is that both of these companies provide you with a physical and virtual debit card. I encourage you to take action now because as time passes, things get harder. That's it guys, I hope this video was helpful. If yes, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, simply leave them in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great time.